Afternoon everyone, I'm Rob from Rewild with Nature. I'm just doing a little introduction video today to show you, to talk to you about what my channel is going to be about. I'm a outdoorsman that uses and explores nature via backpacking, hiking, wildlife watching, photography and a bit of bushcraft, specifically vegan bushcraft. I am vegan. Don't hold that against me. And the whole point of me doing this YouTube channel is to show you how I use nature to learn about the environment, to explore wildlife, watch wildlife, and also use it to improve my mental health. So a little bit about what I'm doing today. I'm just out in one of my local spots trying to find a nice spot to wild camp. I won't be wild camping today, but it's more recce for the future. And I will be making a brew in a minute using natural materials. I've got a tiny little wood stove, which I intend to use to obviously minimise my impact and leave no trace. And I'll show you a few clips of where I am and what I've managed to find so far. Cheers. So I've had my brew. I think I have found myself a half decent camping spot. Not as quiet as I thought it would be. I've had some people walk past with their dogs, even had a husky come and say hello. I found quite a bit of wildlife, including some deer tracks, fox scat, and there's been so many different birds out and about while I've been walking around. Gonna head back now. And yeah, just want to say thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I promise my videos will get better. There'll certainly be a lot less as I get more confident in what I want to say and how I want to say it. But yeah, persevere, and I'll show you one of the things you can get up to with nature. Cheers.